Inc. presents Stickman, a Stickman black and white sound cartoon. Spot the dog and neighbor's dog. Well, Spot, what a beautiful day for playing on the sunny day with the ball, right, Spot? Ruff, ruff, ruff. That's right, Spot. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Well, Spot, today, after you play ball, I'll be right back. I gotta go with Wendy. You stay here with the babysitter. Okay? Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ding dong. He's at the door right now. I'll be back, Spot. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Hello, I'm your new babysitter. What? Babysitter? What do you mean you're babysitter? Well, Spot the dog, you just me and you and not Stickman around. Why, you little boy? Who are you anyway? I am Bad Cat. Why, you little evil bad old cat? You can't do nothing to me. Yes, I can. Oh yeah? What's big about that old fucking fuckatas? A bomb just for you. A bomb? Oh no. That's right. That's what you get from babysitting me. You can't catch me. Come back here! Ah! Ruff, ruff, ruff! Ah! Spot, wait for it up. Spot, it's gonna be okay. Ruff, ruff, ruff! Spot, you know how much I love you, right? Ruff, ruff, ruff! That's right, Spot. A beat, the end, folks.